What are some of your favorite recipes to make with fresh dill? This is one of mine, tzatziki. I'm using cucumbers, garlic, fresh dill, and creamy base to make a thick and delicious tzatziki. Let's get to it. Start by grating and salting the cucumbers to draw out all their moisture. Set aside and prep the dill and garlic. Add to the thick Greek or Icelandic yogurt. Add a tablespoon of oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh dill and garlic go in. And then it's time to squeeze out all the liquid from the cucumbers. You could use a sieve and the back of a spoon, but I find using clean hands to squeeze out all the liquid is easiest. Oh, look, all that moisture coming out of there. That means it's going to be thick and creamy, delicious. Finish it off with a little salt and pepper. Give it a good stir, a final taste test, and you're done. The tzatziki is ready to serve. It goes perfect with pita, vegetables on a charcuterie board, served with roasted potatoes. I'm using it for koftas tonight, lunch this afternoon, so it's super versatile. For the full recipe and more details, check my website or get the herb book.